Hello and welcome to my latest video. It's a video about the Brompton Chapter 3 bike. This one we got last month, so I'm just going to have a little show of it and show you the pros and cons and what we think of it. So it's the Chapter 3, which it says Chapter 3 here, and it's the Brompton bike. And what's different, what's new? So this one is a titanium bike. It's a 6-gear Brompton. And a few things are different than the standard Bromptons. Obviously it's titanium, front forks and rear triangle. So this is designed and inspired by David Miller, who was a professional cyclist, or is a professional cyclist. So what's new with this one? So we've got, starting from the grips here, they're quite rubbery. They are from a company called Fabric. I quite like them. They're really nice. We have the new gear changes down here, and the braking system and the gears down here. 6 gears. They're the new style, which are really nice. This is my brother Snake Man. He's called Hot Herb Snake Man. He makes the anti-venom in Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine. He's the biggest guy in Europe for milking snakes and for making anti-venom. And this is his bike. So we've got, coming down to the tyres here, we've got the Schwalbe. They are the Schwalbe 1, which are kind of like the Kojak, slightly different. As you can see, they've got a little bit of tread on here. Other than that, they're like the Kojaks. It doesn't come with lights, but it has got reflectors. A lot of people were asking in a few videos, about what this metal thing is here. That is to stop the cable rub. Okay, stop the cable rub on the tyre. So that's what, don't remove it. A couple of people are saying, can I get rid of it? No. You've got the black folding pedal. Okay. You've got the red suspension block. If you can look at my other video, which is the B75, it has the white suspension block the same. Well, this one's red, obviously. The paintwork, it's raining at the moment. At the front, it is glitter red, like sparkly glitter, and this is like powder coated black, so quite rough feeling, this one, and this one's smooth. We've put helicopter tape and also tank tape on all the bits which will rub. When you get a Brompton, you really desperately need to put tape on all the parts which will rub against the cable or folding. Really important. Okay, this is the black seat post, which is slightly different to the black edition seat posts. Now, we've been using this one for a month now, and I've also noticed that some colour has gone here and here, which hasn't in mine actually, but on this one it has. I don't know why that's so. The seat is from a company called Fabric, and it's got all over it these little 3s. Little minute number 3s. Now, this one's my brother's bike, and he's been moaning that his backside has been killing him because of this seat. He's gotten used to it now because it's quite a light seat. I think he said it's like 200 grams lighter than the titanium Brooks, so he's happy with it now, but it did get a lot of getting used to. Okay, so let's talk about the price of this bike. The price is £1,990. £1,990. Is it worth it? It depends what you need to use the bike for. I have titanium bikes, which you've seen in my other videos, haven't you? It depends. I quite like it. I don't really like the colours. I would prefer pinks and purples and things like that. So as I said before, it's a 6-gear bike, Kojak tyres, and it weighs 10 kilos and 40 grams. 10 kilo 40 on the weight of the bike. So I don't know, do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. It hasn't got any lights. It's got the new type of easy wheels here, which I quite like. But you know what, he's had it a month and it's really dirty already. And is that rust? Oh yeah, look at that. See that? In that, it's already going rusty. So we desperately need to WD-40 or oil that at the moment. It's a nice bike, but I wouldn't really buy it. He has changed these parts out, which is 2 grams heavier than the original parts. This is the springy hinge clamp plate, so it springs out, so it's easier for you to fold up quickly. It is nice. I quite like it. Would I buy it for myself? I did think about it. No, I don't think I would. I've got a couple of titanium bikes which I like, but this is quite cool too. And what's with this? Is this coming apart? No, it's fine. That was okay. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to be doing quite a few different types of videos at the moment, so bear with me. Don't forget to hit the, or just press lightly, you know, the subscribe button and the like button. And I'll let you also watch my other videos. I'll upload them and you can have a look at those too. So this is my home in England, and I will be flying home tomorrow. So that's the reason why we're doing the video in the rain. I've got 2 more other videos to do, and I hope you can watch those too. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a big hug and a big love, and if you can possibly comment, that would be great. Tell me which Brompton you have, if you're happy with it. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram, which is also Akubrabromptongirl, and also on a lot of Facebook forums of Brompton. Okay, gonna let you go. Thanks for love. Okay, bye.